Hello! In this video I want to show you how to download and install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your TCL 205. So in order to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for the app and enter RAR. Now hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here, grant it all file access, locate it right here, and allow access to manage all files. Now go back, dismiss, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.